Welcome to Compare to Win. The best 2013 F-150 is probably one of the most iconic trucks ever made, and for good reason. This generation of the F-150 brought a lot to the table, from its powerful engine options to its comfortable interior and impressive towing capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned truck enthusiast or just looking for a reliable workhorse, the 2013 F-150 has something to offer, and we're going to dive deep into what makes it so special. Number 5. JUSTTOP 12 PCS Black Tire Valve Stem Caps. These valve stem caps from JUSTTOP protect the valve from water, dust, and sand. This helps prevent leaks and ensures safer driving. The caps are easy to install, you can tighten them by hand. Each package includes 12 caps, providing you with extras. They have a beautiful appearance and fit vehicles of various colors. These caps are also great car accessory gifts for men. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, these caps are built to last. The enhanced seal helps prevent air leakage, keeping your tires properly inflated. These caps have a universal size, fitting cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bikes. They are a versatile solution for all your vehicles. If you have any issues or questions, please feel free to contact us. We are always here to satisfy all of you. What we like. These valve stem caps are a simple yet effective way to protect your tires. They prevent leaks and keep out debris. If you're looking for a small, affordable upgrade that adds a touch of style and protection, you should consider these. What people say. Sun tapuans de aspecto brillante y bien acabado, tienen una goma interna que permite hacer un sello en la válvula del aire. Fits great look and feel very durable. All of them went on properly without any variation in quality. Number 4. VOFONO 7-inch antenna for Ford F-150 F-250 F-350. Tired of the long, unsightly antenna on your Ford truck? This replacement antenna is the perfect solution. It's designed specifically for a range of Ford models, offering a sleek and modern look. This antenna fits various Ford F-150 models from 2009 to 2026, including Raptor and Lightning versions. It also works with F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks, and even the 2021 to 2024 Bronco. Made with high-quality materials, this antenna is built to last. The external rubber and internal copper coil ensure durability and resistance to the elements. You won't have to worry about fading, breaking, or chipping. Enjoy clear reception of your favorite local radio stations. This antenna is designed to provide excellent signal quality, so you can listen to your music and news without interruption. Installing this antenna is a breeze, taking only about 30 seconds. No tools are required, simply remove the screw at the base and screw the new antenna in by hand. It's that simple. This antenna is designed to withstand both automatic and manual car washes. It's firmly fixed and won't loosen, ensuring it stays in place no matter how you clean your truck. What we like. This antenna is designed specifically for your F-150, ensuring a perfect fit and great reception. It's made from premium materials and installs in seconds. If you want to enhance your truck's look and improve radio performance without any hassle, this is the one for you. What people say. The truck has a very comfortable ride. The EcoBoost engine is powerful and gets surprisingly good gas mileage. The interior is well designed and functional. Number 3. Nilight 48 LEDs USB Car Strip Light Kit. This LED strip light reacts to your music. It changes colors with the rhythm, creating a dynamic and fun atmosphere inside your car. You'll love how it enhances your driving experience. Powered by USB, this light is perfect for cars, TVs, and home decor. It's a convenient and adaptable lighting solution. You can easily set it up anywhere you have a USB port. Made with high-quality ABS material, this light is water-resistant and built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and provides a safe and reliable lighting solution. The design is sleek and modern. Installation is a breeze. Just plug it into a USB port and stick the strips where you want them. The included remote control makes it easy to customize the lighting. The package includes everything you need, for LED light strips, a USB port and a remote control. It also comes with a product manual for easy setup. Enjoy the convenience of this all-in-one kit. What we like. These interior lights bring a fun, dynamic element to your car's interior. They react to music, creating a cool light show. If you like to personalize your car's ambience and enjoy a party atmosphere, you should consider them. What people say. The truck has a very comfortable ride. The EcoBoost engine has plenty of power. The interior is well laid out and easy to use. Number 2. EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Steering Wheel Desk. Introducing the EcoNour Steering Wheel Desk. This is a practical solution for eating, working, or reading in your car. It's an essential accessory for busy lifestyles. One side of it features a deep cup holder and a flat surface for meals. The other side provides a smooth, spacious area perfect for laptops and includes a handy pen holder. Designed for those who spend time on the road, this car desk transforms your vehicle into a productive space. You can eat, work, or relax, all without the hassle. Crafted from durable ABS material, it securely attaches to your steering wheel. This ensures a stable surface for work or meals. Remember to remove the steering wheel cover before use. With its slim profile, this lightweight desk can be conveniently stored under your seat. It's ready to use whenever you need it. What we like. This steering wheel desk is a game changer for anyone who works or eats on the go. It provides a stable surface for laptops or meals. If you spend a lot of time in your car and need a convenient workspace, this is perfect for you. What people say. The truck has a very comfortable ride. The EcoBoost engine has plenty of power. The interior is well laid out and easy to use. Number 1. Car Trunk Organizer for SUV, Truck, MPV, Black. This trunk organizer is made of durable, waterproof fabric. It features multiple pockets and a bottle holder with a unique hanging design. The straps are strong, so you don't have to worry about it falling down. Tired of a messy car? This foldable organizer helps you store tools, toys, and snacks. It frees up your trunk space, making it tidy and clean. It's like a second trunk for your car. With dimensions of 38 inches in length and 13 inches in height, it fits most cars, SUVs, and vans. If you're unsure, please contact us to confirm the fit for your vehicle. Installation is easy and quick. Just use the adjustable shoulder straps to clip it around your headrests. It's also washable, so you can easily clean it with a wet cloth. Don't hesitate, it's a must-have for your car. If you have any questions or issues, please let us know. We will respond as soon as possible. What we like. This trunk organizer helps you keep your car tidy and organized. It's waterproof and easy to install, creating extra storage space. If you are tired of a messy trunk and want to maximize your car's storage, you should consider this. What people say. The truck has a very comfortable ride. The EcoBoost engine has plenty of power. The interior is well laid out and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.